All right, here is a little tour of our neighborhood. We've got a ton of snow. We actually have a nice view right now of the Alaska Range over there. It's finally cleared up and the winds are dying down. And I've just been kind of plowing the driveway and checking stuff out. My neighbor, a couple houses over, called me to let me know that some of my roof had blown into his yard and that there was a spectacular amount of debris. So I just came down here to check it out, and wasn't spectacular, but there was some debris. But anyways, here's the road that goes right below our house. Just got plowed out. There's so much snow here in the driveway that I can't actually get up with this, and I can't blow it, so I'm actually having my neighbor Roger come over to blow it out with his blower, which is much bigger. There you go, there's a quick little tour of the neighborhood, and as you can see we got a lot of snow and we had a lot of wind, and despite all that, it's still beautiful up here. The wind has calmed down and our house is still there, so I figure we'll stay. No reason to leave. And there's Brooke. Let's see what she thinks of the wind. Brooke, what do you think of the wind?
It's I'm glad it's done.
What do you think of the snow?
I wish that it wasn't so sloppy.
Yeah, I can't even blow through it.
Really? Did you try?
Roger's coming over.
Oh, all right. Is it all jammed up? Do you have to bring in the garage now?
No, but I'm not gonna even try it.
Oh, all right. Who am I talking to?
Facebook.
What?
Hi, Facebook. All right. And there's our little rig. Little John Deere. And of course, flat top.